Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching another unboxing here. Today I have unboxing a little mini haul for my Le Creuset or Le Creuset. So depending on how you like to pronounce it, Le Creuset or Le Creuset. So let's start off with what I have here in my two bags. Recently we went to a family vacation, so we stopped by at New Hampshire, and guess what? What is best about New Hampshire is tax-free! So all of these items are tax-free, so no tax, drum roll. And we went to the outlet, so let me just go ahead and jump right in. What is my big box here? Okay, so this is something that I actually really wanted to get. I thought about it for quite some time, and I just ended up deciding getting this. So this is great for the summer, and I can't wait to show you what I have in this box. So this is the set of 3 enamel serving bowls, and this color is just fantastic. Look at the color here. It is gorgeous. It is great for barbecue when you do a salad. Let me go ahead and unwrap this piece here. Okay, so this is made in China, this particular product, the enamel steel that they have here. And it comes with the 3 bowls. So this is the 3. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, let me show you another item that I got here. Now let me talk about pricing here. The outlet price is $60 and I purchased it for $48. They were doing a 20% discount. I've been eyeing on this piece, and in my local state Le Creuset outlet store, they have they no longer carry it because it was such a good hit and people have been buying these sets. But it is still available online. If you are interested, you can check out the Le Creuset website. And of course, I also been eyeing on this mug here. This is also the enamel steel mug here, and I just love the color. I always wanted one of these mug here. All right, the outlet price here is $14, and it was on sale around $11. Absolutely gorgeous with the Le Creuset here, Le Creuset name here. So let's see what else I have in my goodie bags. So I have one of these dish here that you can actually put the serving spoon on, or you can put the pepper mills on top of here. Let me show you. So we got a matching color for our salt and pepper mill. So this is what I'm gonna put on my counter, so then it looks awesome. Now I have other version of, sometimes I use the rainbow black pepper, so I got this pepper mill as well. And this was originally $50 and I got it half off, so $25. So I just love the colors here. It's so it's kind of like an ombre color from dark to light. This is really nice. So I just got the pepper mill cap here, so just in case I would like to put these away. So let me just show you. This can be just simply inserted in like this, and then you can just put it like this. There's a cap. Okay, next item here, I have these baking dish here. So this is originally $50. Okay, let me show you the nice color here, and on the bottom, originally $50, outlet price $43. I end up paying $16 roughly. So it was a 60% off discount. So that's why I got 2 of these. Okay. All right, last but not least, I got these silicone cap for the cup. Original price $20, the outlet price is $18. So these are great because you can just cover your cup as a lid. So these are really nice color. I like the 3 different color options that they give you in one pack. So this is my little mini haul of the Le Creuset. So if you enjoyed this video of my mini haul unboxing here, please hit the like button below. If you have not yet, check out my other video on unboxing stove, cookware. Please check out my playlist, and also don't forget to subscribe to the Food Travel Shopping channel, and I'll see you next time on another unboxing video. Thanks for watching.